Survival Seeds now has memberships open, and these memberships will not be going to our music. All of the memberships are for Survival Seeds.
We are unlocking 3 different levels that you can support us with, and each level does some different things. If you would like to pay for your own seeds for Survival Seeds 2025, we would greatly encourage that, and that is because we are trying to get the best seeds out there. We would really like to have it so that anyone who is growing new for the first time has the opportunity to have good seeds that work really well, and so we are trying to find out what the best seeds for that are, and if you would like to pay for your own seeds, we would really appreciate that, but if not, great, we will still get that out to you. And the second level is the $5 level, and basically what that is that we'll pay for your seeds and someone who can't afford their seeds. And we really want to encourage community, and if you have it on your heart to help support the collaboration and help someone who can't afford these seeds on their own, we would really appreciate that, and you would have our eternal gratefulness or something. And there's also perks listed on the membership offers themselves. And the final tier is the $10 tier. And basically what that does is it will give me permission to put you on my website. And you will be listed with the official sponsors for Survival Seeds 2025. And that will be on our website, and we will shout you out, and we will invite you to the panel more often, and some other stuff that I haven't figured out yet.
And those donations will go to things like the giveaways.
Yep, you will help support us in that we will be able to use that money to have better giveaways, and so that's our membership levels, and we would really appreciate it if you would like to help support us.
Yeah.
We are looking forward to another great growing season. We hope to see you guys part of the Survival Seeds Collab.
And don't forget to vote. The poll is up for what the Survival Seeds for 2025 will be. So don't forget to go over and vote for what seeds you want.
Got it in the description, or if it's not somewhere you can access, like on the memberships page, you can also go to survivalseedscollab.com, and it is right there on the front page for you.
We want you.